Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn a picture into drawing animation in After Effects. You don't need any drawing skills for that, and I will show two ways to do it. You can use whatever you want. Also, I will show you what kind of difficulties that you can have. Okay, let's start with importing our image to After Effects. Right click and fit to comp height. And let's apply effect called cartoon. I'm gonna set render only edges. And now I'm just playing with the settings to make the picture simplified and remove all the small details as much as possible. I guess that's enough. Let's apply now effect called color key. I'm selecting white color and set color tolerance to 255. And now let's go to composition, save frame as and file. We need to render our image as Photoshop file. And now I am importing my Photoshop file. Press Ctrl Alt F. And double click on it. Now I can erase some small details that left. I will speed this up. Basically, I'm just making the picture even more simplified, removing some little details that I couldn't remove with cartoon effect. And when it's done, I go to Layer, Auto Trace. I set tracing current frame only. Now I can delete my Photoshop file and apply the effect called stroke. I click on the checkbox All Masks and set Paint Style to reveal original image and increase brush size. Now I only need to animate end. I can remove all these keyframes from Mask Pass. And now we have a drawing animation. The last thing that I want to do is to change the order of the stroke animation. I select some masks that I want to reveal first and put them above all others. So changing the order of masks will change the order of strokes revealing animation. You can just click on parts of your image to select masks that you want to reveal first and put them above all others. Auto tracing is the first method that you can use to create drawing animations. Let's check out the second one. And the second way is simply drawing simple strokes with pen tool, animate dream path, and setting track mate to alpha mate for the strokes. You can see what I did here. Everything before auto tracing is the same. You apply cartoon effect, remove all the small details, apply color key, remove a white background. And just draw simple strokes on your image. Just select pen tool and draw them like this. The stroke should be wide. As you can see here, I have several paths, stroke, and dream path animation. I just animated and you can just add it like this. And also important to set trim multiple shapes to individually. So when you have this animation, you just set track mate to alpha mate for the image, and the drawing animation is done. Now let's check out more complicated example. I had to divide this picture in two parts with masks. I separated the dove with masks and duplicate the picture, set the new mask to subtract. I did it because I needed different settings for cartoon effect to make the picture simplified without losing important strokes. So then I render it again as Photoshop file and imported the rendered Photoshop file to After Effects and used Eraser tool to remove small details, and everything else is the same. So that's all, thank you for watching. You can check out my other tutorials, other projects. See you next time.